take care of this guy for me.
No problem. How's it going?
Yeah!
You want to make sure the aircraft is below 133 knots. And then it takes about 40 pounds of force, and the way they teach you to do it is to grab it, pull, and almost do like you're doing a pull-up, and it'll shoot out the back.
Brainerd ground, good morning. Cirrus 180 Bravo Zulu at the Hartford Jet Center with Juliet, ready to taxi. Northeast departure. Yeah, it doesn't roll off really easy. 180 Bravo Zulu, that's why I was going slow. So, today I'm Alpha Kilo Cirrus, and I'm with my friend Patrick Mullane here. Patrick Mullane is an author of 2 books here, and today's video is sponsored by him. You can check out his book if you wanted to learn to fly. It's Patrick Mullane's Guide to Learning to Fly. Deep dives into select topics for today's student pilots. So I started reading this book. This book is really, really cool, and I highly recommend it for guys, even like myself, that's got over 200 hours. There's good stuff in here. And then he's got his first book here is The Father, Son, and the Holy Shuttle. Growing up an astronaut kid in the glorious 80s, and I concur with that. The 80s were phenomenal. I miss the 80s. The music was great. Miss Van Halen and all that good stuff. You know, Guns N' Roses, all that. So check out his book. I have yet to read this book, but I have 2 signed copies. And here's the guy today, and we are in a Cirrus. So we got a little bit of taxiway before we do our run-up. So this is the first generation of the Cirrus, what you were saying, right?
Yeah. It's from 2003. It's called the Century Edition. So it was a kind of a commemorative model. After 100 years after the Wright brothers flew, and it was special in the sense that it has this logo on the tail. It's got some embroidery in the seats and things like that. But more importantly, it was kind of the first model that had a PFD and an MFD with the screens, because some of the earlier Cirrus models had a standard 6-pack with a multifunction display over here.
And it looks like the pixels are still holding up after now. It's, what's this, 10 years old, 12 years old?
No, well, the airplane is, 22 years old.
Okay.
And I actually think these are the original screens, though.
Yeah, they're holding up even to today.
Yeah, there's some.
This is good technology from back then.
It is, yeah. There's some software updates that have happened, obviously. Yeah. And we were cleared across 2.9, correct?
We are cleared across 2.9.
Okay.
And then we got 2 430s here, which I'm familiar with those.
Yep. Yeah, eventually, like a lot of people, are going to swap those out. The airplane is not WAS, so for instrument training, it limits a little bit what you can do using GPS, but otherwise.
Cirrus 180 Bravo Zulu, Brainerd Tower, runway 2, clear for takeoff on course.
Cirrus 180 Bravo Zulu, clear for takeoff, runway 2 on course.
All right, fuel flow looks good. Instruments are in the green. Airspeed is alive. Looking for about 72 knots or so. There we go, rotate.
This is 246 Bravo Zulu, Brainerd ground, good morning. Destination requested altitude.
Traffic.
No factor. All right.
Cirrus 246 Bravo
Flight's
Zulu,
coming up.
departure frequency will be 123, 195, squawk 3521.
All right, there's our 400. We're on runway heading.
6 Bravo Zulu, runway 2, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Okay, CAPS is available now.
All right, we're at 700.
November 6 Bravo Juliet, thank you, and advise when you have Juliet now.
Beautiful view of the city.
Okay, don't bust the Charlie, take a right.
Oh, yeah, thank you for that.
Nice hard right.
Yeah. I forget about that. I'm not used to flying into an airspace there.
All right, you're south of the Charlie by, not by much, so.
Yeah, I see it on here. I'll go a little bit to just kind of due east here for a bit.
Yep.
Okay, we're being the numbers below 119 knots, so we're gonna get our first notch of flaps in. Pull power back just a little, good nose down. Minuteman traffic, Cirrus 0 Bravo Zulu is turning left base 21, Minuteman. Their last notch of flaps in. 100 knots looking good. Our ERF speed is about 80 knots at the threshold. Final looks clear. Minuteman traffic, Cirrus 0 Bravo Zulu is turning final 21, Minuteman. High here. Sweet. Yeah, it wasn't my best, but we'll take it. We'll take it.
Caution, underspeed.
That was a beautiful approach too. Oof.
That was a little high, but it,
No, I like how the runway just appears. That's really cool.
yeah, it's kind of like, my dad, whenever we land here, he's like, it's like an aircraft carrier in a sea of trees.
I love that. And it's got like a little dip to it in the middle.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
All right, we're at Minuteman in the Cirrus, and I got another Cirrus pilot here. What's up, James? Where you going, brother?
Lake Placid.
Lake Placid, James. Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you.
Alex.
How long have you had her?
5. Oh, nice. 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
Is your first one, second one?
Yeah, first one.
Yeah.
First one.
Did you give her a name?
No, yeah, plane number 1.
Well, that's Miley, apparently.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I just numbered them in numerical order. This is my first one.
Plane
the
number
next one
one.
will be plane number 2.
Oh, nice.
Right, on the bars.
It's almost like a NASCAR with the roll bars.
Yeah, the entire structure, the structure of the airplane is this steel tubing.
Yeah.
Right. You know, that's what's carrying all the loads, right? So the fabric and the fiberglass are not load bearing, right? You know, all of the structural loads are, you know, is this
pretty sturdy and pretty well
structure.
built.